Hey, check this out. It's 1:34 early in the morning, and you know what I need? I need me some coffee. I'm on one, okay? But just excuse my daughter if she can make her an egg and a top ramen. Check this out. I know how to work blue. You know, this is Mr. Blue, and you know Missy over there. Missy's red, okay? Check this out. She thinks she can get it pop. Oh, she can remove the egg. Okay? So check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Y'all on film. But guess what, y'all? I'm back on your screen. You're looking at me through your screen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it down. I'm gonna open this up. And I'm gonna put some more water in here because it needs to be filled up. Check this out. I got this. Remember the last video, I didn't know how to work it. Okay, I'm gonna put some water in here. And I'm gonna pour a little bit more water. Yes, I am. On your screen. I'm back on your screen, y'all. This is Mr. Blue. Okay. So I just took my measuring cup and I lined it up. And I'm gonna put this top back on there. Right on the back. Okay. Now check this out. I'm gonna use this. This is gonna be a 10-ounce cup. So I'm gonna use a tall one. And I'm gonna sit it right here. But I'm gonna close it down and I'm gonna push it. And you'll hear it bubble. And then you wait for a second, right, y'all? And I'm gonna put this vanilla up in here. Okay, check this out. Put it in there. I'm gonna close it down hard. And then the little blue light's gonna come on, y'all. Y'all see it flashing. So what cup I'm using? A 10-ounce. Girl, I'm using a 10-ounce cup. Okay, I'm gonna push it. And once you hear that, you look very careful inside of that cup. You're gonna see it dripping. I'm back on your screen. Did I tell you? This is vanilla, girl. It's vanilla. I am on one. It is 1:36 in the morning. This is some vanilla. Oh my God. And then on top of this, y'all, check this out. And I put these little spoons. They are peppermint. You get them from the Dollar Tree store. When I get through, I'm going to open one of them up, stir my little stuff up, throw my creamer. Son-in-law, give me my creamer. And I'm going to use me some creamer. Okay? So, I don't feel like this is enough coffee for me at 1:37 in the morning. Okay? So, I'm going to use this creamer. Okay? So, I need to start this back up, or is it going to... I thought it was coming back on. Oh, just wait for a minute. No more water going to come back. So, I guess it's done. So, I can turn it off. So, we're going to turn it off. Okay? So, my gravy, pardon me, y'all. You know, I'm on one. I ain't even drunk no coffee this morning, and I'm up here talking about some doggone gravy. You know, I'm thinking about Thanksgiving, huh? Some dressing and gravy. Yeah, girl. But check this out. Okay, here go my little 10-ounce cup of coffee. I know you can see a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bag this here up some. And I'm going to pour me some coffee up in here. Open this up for me. Okay. So I'm going to shake this up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. This is my film. This is my video. Okay. Okay, hold on. Back. Okay, so I'm dropping some coffee, some creamer up in here. Okay. And then I got my little spoon. So just like peppermint. And then I got me some little sugar over here. You see that? That's sugar. Ain't that little? It's a cute little Macy jar. Y'all see that? That's sugar in there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna you know, go like this, making a lot of noise in my okay. I'm just making the the sugar come out. Okay, so I'm gonna throw me a little sugar up in here. Cause I like little sugar. You know, I'm gonna be on one anyway. Oh, I just broke my spoon, y'all. Look at that, y'all. They cheap. They came from the Dollar Tree store. Okay, so, oh, it really smells like peppermint. This is peppermint. I thought, hey, y'all, I really thought this was a real spoon. It's really peppermint. Peppermint candy. They didn't tell me that. I thought it was a real spoon. Okay, so I'm going to throw a little bit more sugar to it. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. So, I need a real spoon. Now, here go a little straw. And I do have real peppermint if I really want to put a peppermint in there, but I don't want to do all that. Not tonight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the straw, stir it up. I'm going to unplug this. And then I got me some vanilla. Vanilla, this is real. This is really real candy. Is this real candy for real? Let me taste this, because it might be rubber.
No, it's candy.
It's really? How you know?
Because I felt it.
You milked it?
No, I felt it. When I opened it, I felt it. It was candy.
Oh, hey y'all. This is real damn. This is real peppermint. Is this the plastic off? Okay, guess what? This is real peppermint. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to throw this peppermint inside of there, right? That's what I'm supposed to be doing. So that's going to taste like peppermint. So, I'm going to stir it. Oh, yeah, it's Milton. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This time of morning. But check this out. I'm going to get a real spoon. Now, I bet you this spoon don't break. You see this spoon? This spoon ain't going to break. And I bet you. But that peppermint melted up in there. That's a good thing. Ooh, hazelnut, baby, here I come. Let me take drink some. I'm on one now. Okay. Okay, y'all. I know how to work it. I know how to work it. Okay. This is blue. Okay. Mr. Blue. Now, I'm going to show you Missy. Missy over here, too. Now, this is hazelnut. No, it ain't. This is vanilla. I just put it in there. Okay? Over here, I do have different kind of flavors. Hazelnut. I have hazelnut. If you can see. Wait a minute. That's hazelnut, y'all. Oh, yeah, this from Starbucks. Hazelnut. I got vanilla. No, this is vanilla. That's right. That's right. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. This is regular coffee. Okay? Regular coffee. And you can put any flavor to it. And this is hazelnut. This is hazelnut. Now, that's hazelnut. Okay? That's hazelnut. Hazelnut is good. Okay? And then I got hazelnut creamer. Okay, that's not a problem. But this is my coffee. That's what I'm going to be drinking tonight. Don't they look good? Yeah. And you know what? The peppermint melted inside. I thought it was really a peppermint spoon. Hold on. Hold on. Let me show you. I really thought this here was a real spoon. It's not. It's really a peppermint spoon. So you could take it, stir it, and it would change the flavor of your coffee. So I'm going back and pick some of these up. I like that. I really do. But I got a lot of them over here. Okay. These are my peppermint spoons. And then this is real peppermint. Now, if people sitting in my house, this is what I use. These cups. It's Christmas time, and they got words on it. Trust into the Lord, okay? In the Lord with all your heart. So they got different coats on these cups, all right? Real peppermint at the top. Even the spoons, like I showed y'all, I thought it was real spoons. You could use them over and over, but no, they real peppermint. And plus, I got peppermint in the bag. Okay, so we're gonna go back over here, and this is my peppermint spoon. It broke on me, so I could use this peppermint, and I'm gonna put it in some foil. So, like early in the morning, I will use this in my next coffee. You feel me? So, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me show you Missy over here. Now, this is Missy. See, Missy's red. That's my old coffee cup. Now, early this morning, I made me some coffee. Okay? I had a friend of mine, and we wanted some coffee real fast. So I made me some coffee. So this is Missy. She red. And blue, that's Mr. Mr. Blue. This is Missy. She's red. Yeah. So I got me 2 different coffee makers. Okay, but we gonna play with blue. We're gonna play with blue this morning. So this is Miss Lady T Queen. Early in the morning at 1:46 in the morning, drinking some vanilla coffee this morning. So, see y'all really at 6 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday morning. Matter of fact, it is Wednesday. Yes, it is. This is Wednesday morning. Yes. Let me put this right here into my little video. This is a DIY little cover go over my stove. I like to dress my stove up. And they didn't even turn the oven, the stove off. They just got to cooking. Yeah, they just got to cooking right here. But anyway, this is a DIY wooden stand. What my hand is on. With these, my little things sitting on. That's very wooden. And I put contact paper over it. All right? Yes, I put contact paper over it. You could pull the stove out.